I'm Glenn Landis, and we're here on the Schaefer-Landis Farm in Cumberland, Virginia. The farm is owned by my in-laws, Wallace and Dorcas Schaefer, and my wife and I and our family manage and work the poultry farm. We have 4 poultry houses and we raise broiler chickens. Our electricity usage for the year is approximately $9,000. The largest usage of the electricity is in the summertime when we're running a lot of fans, so we have just dozens and dozens of fans and electrical motors. The solar on the chicken farm came about. Wallace Schaefer, the owner of the farm, had been thinking about solar and read about it, and the ongoing cost of electricity is just an added expense that we would be happy to reduce and get rid of. We worked with the Harrisonburg office, and they worked very hard to keep us in the loop and to tell us. And so we had, I don't know how many meetings that we had here discussing the nuts and bolts of it, and they worked very hard to give us the information that helped us make the decisions. The system that we chose is 62 kW. That is intended to cover most of our electrical usage. It created a tax credit for us, an incredible tax credit for income, to reduce taxes for the overall income. We worked with the install team who was here 3 days and completed the project, and we were very impressed. They worked very hard, very long hours. The job was neat and clean. It looks very professional to me. We would recommend Paradise. I would have no problem. I am glad to recommend the company. And I know on a farm there's a lot of places you can spend your money. I mean, there's a long list of things that always need attention and funding. But if the funds are available, it looks to me like it's a positive thing. And so I get to tell my family in Pennsylvania that I'm saving 1,400 trees a year. So that's fun.